Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Flybuys. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. Now just go ahead and search Flybuys login and press enter. Click on the first link and you will be taken into the login page. Now just enter your email address or your member number, followed by your password. In case you forget your member number or your email address, you can click on Forgot Flybuys Details. And in case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button underneath the password section. After you enter your login credentials, you can click on the Sign In button and you will be logged into your Flybuys account. And there you have it. That is how simple it is to log into your account on Flybuys. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.